Hello everyone. So what do we have today? We have a tablet. We have this tablet. It's a Itel. I guess this is a Itel PrimeTab one. That's the tablet that came in for repair. So the story about this tablet is coming from from a primary kid, I can say so. He is a boy who is doing grade 5 at a local school. So what he bring the tablet here, he explained to me, I was using this tablet last term, and when the school were closed, I put it in my wardrobe. I never used it. Now when I tried to put on charger, the tablet did not respond. So this is a very obvious fault. I would say either we have a dead battery or the battery is discharged, because if the battery discharge below minimum, there's no proper communication with between the charger, the charging port, and the charging IC, which can be any MediaTek. We have so many kind of chips there, which is the power management chip. Okay. So without wasting time, he brought also this cable. This is a new cable. Yeah, the boy said, I thought maybe it's an issue of a fault cable. I bought another one, but still the tablet is not working. We'll pay attention here. We have 5.70 and 0 amps because there's no load there. So plug in the charger. It's taking 38, 39, 390 milliamps, and basically we have nothing on the screen. So this is a common fault on phones. This is a basic common fault. When you see like that, we can separate. It's now taking 860, 870. If you leave this tablet for a while, we'll see a big charging. What did I told you? It's now taking 930 milliamps. He said he tried several times. The tablet is not working. So I don't think here we have anything to fix. I don't think so. But how is that possible? He said I tried. I was expecting like a highly discharged battery. And it's 0%. This is bad. Anyway, for the sake of learning, I want to see the kind of voltage that we have inside. Let's take out the starter pack. Let's get inside this. We know our tablet is working, but the battery is empty. I was expecting this to be like a serious repair. That's the inside of the tablet. You can see here we have the black wire. This is the minus. We have the yellow wire. That's NTC, negative temperature coefficient. This pin is very important because it's going from this pin. Is very important. NTC pin. That's negative temperature coefficient. Is going to some kind of resistor, temperature sensor, which is there to protect other components against it. So, like what I said, this middle pin is very important. It's very important because from this pin we have some resistors which are acting as temperature sensor. When your phone is overheating, That's where you see some kind of error message like temperature too high, temperature too low. Mostly those resistors which are coming from this NTC, which is negative temperature coefficient sensor. In most cases, the problem is emanating from those sensors. Okay, so here the fault was very simple. What I want to check here, I want to check the battery voltage. That's the reason why we open this phone. And we have 3.11 volts. Here it's rated voltage is 3.85. This voltage when your phone is empty and fully charged 4.4. So we have to put some power. I'll plug in the charger here, which is taking 790 milliamps. And let's help this data cable with the power supply, and it's taking 2.8 amps, 2.8 amps plus 3.2 amps, around 3 amps. So now we are pushing some current inside the battery just to bring this battery to its normal charging range. Otherwise, it will spend a lot of time at 0%. So that's the issue about phones. Phones, you are changing screens, you are changing charging ports, you are changing digitizer, you are changing batteries. I found few jobs where I have to deal with power issue on phones. But we have to fix them. We have to fix them. Do you think we now have at least 1%? Let's see. 2%. So now we can try to power on the tablet. And Itel, the tablet is coming on. Beautiful fault. This is beautiful. That's why I like fixing phones, because in most cases the faults are obvious there. In most cases we have like kind of common faults. So yeah, it's taking a while just to come on. So if you have an Itel PrimeTab 1 which has been staying for a long time, first concentrate on the battery. Our phone is working fine. The digitizer, I'm sure it's still loading the software. Some apps, yeah, it was still loading some apps, and everything seems to be fine here. Calculator. You know the hell with Itel phones, they are very slow, but doesn't mean that the digitizer is faulty. So yeah, that's the phone. Yeah, it's taking too long to respond, but the phone is working fine. So yeah, that was the repair. So what I would say, yeah, there's no reason to keep on carrying on with this repair, because all what is left is to put back the back cover and some screws. Yeah, like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to beloved friends and relatives, boyfriends, ex-girlfriends. And if you are on this channel, probably you are in the right channel, because we are not going to stop fixing items. We are going to upload various kind of repairs. I was thinking of starting like live stream, so that I'll get closer to you guys, but I'm still waiting to have a certain number of subscribers. I was thinking first, at least if we reach 10k, we can start to do some live stream fixing things, like having some live chats. I'm sure people, they have problems around the world, but we can share the problem. A problem shared is half solved. Okay, so see you on the next one. Bye.